Alright. So, saya ulang balik ya. Okay, question. Okay, read the question. Right. So, yang baru masuk ni, okay, I am discussing your previous lesson. Okay. Question asks you to read the text below. Okay, this is the text. Followed by the question. Okay, number 1, read the information about making a time capsule. Look at the pictures. Which thing wouldn't you put in a time capsule? Why not? Okay, so these are the 2 questions. So you have to, okay, the first one is which thing wouldn't you put in a time capsule? Apakah benda yang awak tidak letakkan di time capsule? Wouldn't, tidak. Okay, so this is your answer. Yeah? The first question is from you. Okay, let's look at the answers. Okay, macam saya sebut tadi. Alright, Alisa jawab food. Cibesni jawab a box. Vidya making a time. Okay, this is not answering the question. Syazwani pun 5 to 6 things. This is not answering the question. Okay, CD player. Okay, tengok balik soalan. Soalan tanya apa? Which thing? Barang apakah? Itu soalan. Which thing? This is WH question. Okay, and then you give your answer. Then you tulis kenapa tidak? Why not? Why you don't want to put the thing that you mentioned earlier? Okay, kita tengok contoh. Okay, the first one, Alisa, dia jawab thing that she would not put is food. And then dia bagi jawapan, why not? Because people in the future will not be able to find it. Okay, logik. Yang saya cakap logik lah. Betul lah. Okay. Food nanti akan hancur kalau dia tanam contoh. Ataupun dia akan jadi rosak. So, you will throw it away. It will not last long. Okay. Okay, CD player. Okay. Because need electric equipment to work. Okay lah. Okay, yang lain ni. Okay. Tak terima jawapan. Saya tak terima jawapan. Okay. Alright, next. Okay. Now we go to this question. Question 2. Okay. If you cannot see here, please refer your files to. Okay. Rujuk files to awak kalau tak nampak di sini. Okay. The first question. If you make a time capsule, what will it show people in the future? Okay, this question saya tak suruh awak cari sendiri. Jawapan ada di teks. Cari dalam teks. Okay, right? So here the person who finds the box will learn about what life is like now. Okay, soalan tanya, ulang balik. If you make a time capsule, what will it show people in the future? Okay, kalau awak buat time capsule untuk apa? So that future will see what is life now. What life is like now. Itulah sepatut jawapan dia. Okay, next one. Next question. What will you put in the box with your chosen objects? What will you put in the box with the chosen object? Okay, kita tengok. What will you put in the box with the chosen object? Okay, kita baca. Okay, the answer is a letter. Put the things and letter in a box. Okay, these are the chosen things plus letter. Okay, next question. What will you put? What will you put the box into? Di manakah awak letakkan box tersebut? Where will you put the box into? Okay. Put the box in a plastic bag. Nah, jawapan dia. Okay, number 4. What 2 dates will you write on it? Okay, apakah 2 tarikh yang perlu awak isi? Okay, look at the word dates. Okay, today's date, did you want the box to be open? Okay, next question. Why will you need a special kind of pen to write on it? Okay, dia kata kat sini you must use permanent pen marker. Kenapa permanent pen marker? Kenapa tak, macam saya cakap, kenapa tak guna pen biasa? Okay, use a permanent marker pen so that people will be able to read it in 50 years time. Okay. Next question. How will people in the future find the time capsule? Okay, how people in the future find the time capsule? Okay, draw a map to show where your time capsule keep it somewhere else. Meaning that through a map. Okay, soalan dia tak adalah macam soalan darjah 1. Ya, mesti direct. Now you already form 1, you dah kena tahu macam mana mencari jawapan. The underline, you have to read through lines, in between lines untuk cari jawapan. Meaning that you have to really focus when you read your text to find the correct answer. Okay, ni nanti nak periksa ni. Kita tak tahu, mungkin ada online test ke apa ke. Alright, so these are the questions that you might get. Right, okay, never mind. You learn from today's lesson. Okay, next. Okay, so next question you have to listen. Alright, so, okay, you already listened. Okay, let's look at the answer. Number 4. Number 4. Tengok jawapan kawan awak. Okay, number kita tengok. Number 1, my diary book. Mana datang jawapan my diary book? Ada ke dalam teks ni diary book? Okay, lagi. My diary book about life. Notes and about my... Ni tak jawab soalan ni. Kemana tembak je. You see? Okay, ada letak teacher pun ada. Ni kenapa ada tarikh pula ni? Money. What is this? Okay, so semua salah. Okay. Next question. Saya suruh tulis jawapan je dekat sini. Saya tak suruh buat apa pun. I already help you. Just write the answer. Read, type the answer. Itu saja. Okay, so after this for your correction, salin semua soalan ni from the text. Okay, right. So question from the listening audio. How many time capsules will the class make? How many time capsules will the class make? Okay, kita tengok jawapan. Kita tengok jawapan. Saya klik dulu jawapan kawan awak ni. Besar sangat. Okay, yang lain tak jawab? Tak. Okay, saya pun lupa nak letak required. Okay, how many times? The answer is 1. The answer is 1. Okay, next question. The student will work alone in class. Okay, let's look at the answer. Okay, the answer is B. Okay, next question. They will talk together to write things, write lots of interesting things. Okay, what's the answer? The answer is A. Okay, the answer is A. The answer is A. Okay, number 3. The homework task is for Monday. A. Number 4. The class will put 6 things in the box. Okay, number 5. The students are going to buy the time capsule, are going to bury the time capsule on Wednesday. Okay, just tick A, B pun. Itu mesti awak tak dengar. Okay, next question. Okay, listen again and write short answer. Okay, tengok jawapan. Apa ke jawapannya? Okay, number 1. What is the question? Okay, how about a CD? Okay, CD. Ni apa jawapan ni? Okay, number 2. Will be able to play CDs. Okay. Number 3. Menu. Okay, number 4. What food? Number 5. Pizza. Okay, dengar balik and write down the answer. Okay, what 2 things you write? Okay, this is your answer. Okay. Okay, 2 things. Alright. So, give reasons. Okay, hari ni awak akan buat karangan tau. Okay. So, hari ni tambah lagi kerja buat karangan. Okay. Write your suggestion and reason. Okay. Bagi sebab. Kenapa? Okay. Suggestion dan reason. Bagi sebab. Okay. Right. So, ini kerja yang lepas. Saya dah ambil setengah jam dah untuk bincang kerja yang lepas. Okay, ini kerja yang lepas. Right, so buat pembetulan. Right, okay, now I'm going to go to our lesson today. Okay, saya tutup yang ni. Okay, I'm going to our lesson today. Right. Okay, so this is our lesson. Right. Okay. So this is the outline. Okay, the content, the learning standard. Okay, the learning standard is where, if you notice, in all my classes, saya masukkan kotak ni. Why? Because the learning standard, inilah yang saya akan nilai for your PBD. Okay, saya besarkan slideshow. Okay. These are the skills yang saya nyatakan. These are the skills that I look into for your PBD. Okay? Based on what you did for your homework. Sebab tu homework semua kena hantar. If not, macam mana saya nak nilai for this skill, for this writing skill. Okay? Yang tak hantar tu nanti dalam cuti saya akan bagi markah semua tugasan yang telah dibuat. Okay? Right. Okay, so today you are going to draft an essay. Okay, I already gave you the layout. You just have to write. Okay, kali ni you have to write. Okay, saya bagi masa untuk awak buat. Dalam tempoh cuti, okay, minggu depan raya. Right? So, saya bagi masa untuk awak buat sampai hari Khamis minggu hadapan. That's the last. All homework must be done by Thursday. Right? Because kita tak tahu on Monday tu kita kena sekolah ke apa ke, we don't know. Okay, we wait for KPM untuk bagi maklumat. Okay, so all homework yang tak siap, for those still interested to do homework, all homework yang tak siap must be in by next Thursday. Alright? Okay, lepas tu saya anggap awak tak buat lah. Okay? Alright. So, next. So, okay, these are the steps that we are going to do. Okay, I'm afraid kita tak sempat because I'm going to focus on how to write your essay. Okay, right. Never mind. Okay, we go to step 2 nanti and step 3. Right? Okay. Okay, if you look at this phrase, okay, we start with this, introduction, giving opinions, because today we are going to write an essay about giving opinions. What is opinions? Pandangan, cadangan, suggestion, pandangan. Okay, lebih kepada pandangan. What is your opinion? Senangnya in Malay, awak rasa macam mana? Okay, so but in English, okay, this is just my opinion. This is my pandangan. But okay, alright. So when you want to give opinion, you have the word. Okay, this is my opinion. Okay, especially when you ask for suggestions. Okay, teacher, can you help me? Which one should I choose? Okay, for example. So I will say, okay, in my opinion, you should choose A. Itu pandangan saya. But if you feel that B is better, it's up to you. Okay, that's different, ya? Suggestion, pandangan, sedikit ada perbezaan. Okay, opinion ialah pandangan orang. Okay, sometimes we can accept, sometimes we cannot accept. It's up to you. Right, but when you ask opinion from people, you listen and then you think about it. If you feel that those opinions that you can accept, boleh terima, then you can take it. Alright, okay. Next, okay, I'm going to show you, right, these 12 phrases that you can use to start your sentence when you want to give opinion. Okay, like just now, let's say you ask me, teacher, can you help me to choose which one is better? Okay, A or B? You ask me. So I can start by giving you, I think that A is better, or I'm sure that, in my opinion, I feel that, I guess. Okay, so these are 12 phrases that you can start with. Alright, these are 12 simple phrases. There are more. Okay, if you go advanced nanti, we will see more. Okay, so at your level, at this moment, at least you know a few of these. Right? Okay, next. Okay, so this is from your textbook. Okay, now take out your textbook, turn to page 60. Okay, page 60. If you can't see, alright, so you can refer to your textbook. Alright. Okay, read and listen to essay. Okay, read, baca and listen. Okay, saya sediakan audio kat sini. I do not know whether you can hear it or not. But later on, I will put this audio dalam group Telegram so that you can listen. Or nanti saya akan buat cara macam mana lah. Okay? And then the question asks, do you agree, setuju, with the opinion, okay, opinion cadangan, in paragraph B or C? Paragraph B or C? Okay. Okay, can you listen? Boleh dengar tak?
Dengar, cikgu.
Ha?
Dengar.
Dengar?
Dengar.
Okay, boleh dengar lah? Okay, good. Saya takut tak boleh dengar.
On the one hand, the number of people on Earth is growing and we are destroying our natural environment. If we aren't careful, one day we won't have any food or energy. If this happens, we will need to find a new place.
Okay, tak apa. For this one, I will read. Okay? Nanti later when you do your tugasan, you can listen. Okay, I will give the link here. Ini link ni, you can click to the link nanti. You can listen. Alright? Okay, now I will read. Okay. Here. will people ever live on the moon? Okay. Many people like the idea of going on holiday to the moon. But will anyone actually live there in the future? Scientists have different opinions on this subject. On the one hand, the number of people on Earth is growing and we are destroying our natural environment. If we aren't careful, one day we won't have any food or energy. If this happens, we will need to find a new place to live. On the other hand, the moon isn't a very comfortable place for human beings. There isn't any air or water, and the temperature is too hot or too cold. Maybe we will be able to improve conditions on the moon, but it will be very difficult. In conclusion, I don't think people will ever live on the moon. In my opinion, the Earth is a better place for human beings. Alright, okay, so this text is all about B and C. B and C are scientists' opinions about living on the moon. Hidup di bulan. Alright? Okay. B. On the one hand. Okay. Seorang cakap the number of people on Earth is growing and we are destroying our natural environment. Okay. C kata on the other hand maksudnya sebaliknya, the moon isn't a very comfortable place for human beings. There isn't any air or water. Okay. Right. Okay, sekarang soalan kat sini tanya, do you agree with the opinion in paragraph B or C? Okay, awak setuju B atau C? Okay, bagi saya satu jawapan. Anybody?
C. Cikgu C.
C. Okay, good. Lagi? Yang lain? Awak setuju yang mana? Yang lain? Bagi saya
C.
C. Okay. Lagi? Ada berapa orang dalam kelas kita ni? Tinggal 6 je. Tadi saya tengok ada 11 tadi. Okay. Right. So, okay, you say C. Okay, right. Never mind. Okay, if you look at this, A, B, C, D. This is the layout that you are going to write nanti for your question. A is the introduction. B and C is your content. D is your conclusion. Right. So, in your paragraph B and C later on, you must masukkan this one. On the one hand, C on the other hand. Okay, these two are connectors. Alright. So, later when you write your essay, you must have these two phrases in your content paragraph. Okay, right, never mind. Kita tengok. Alright, okay, number 2. Look at the writing focus. Okay, look at your book here. How do you say on the one hand and on the other hand in your language? Right, ada dua ni. Okay, let's look at it. In an opinion essay, we can make the two possible opinions. Two possible opinions maksudnya dua pandangan yang logik lah. Ya? Clear with the phrases. On the one hand and on the other hand. Okay. We often use them at the beginning of paragraphs. Okay, contoh. On the one hand, computers are already very intelligent. Okay, satu pandangan kata computers are very intelligent. On the other hand, satu pandangan yang lain, they haven't got feelings like human beings. Okay, it's like macam satu positif, satu ialah negatif. Macam tu. Okay, right. Next. Okay. Okay, kita tutup ni sekejap. Look at the essay again. In which paragraphs does the writer, okay, number 1. Okay, tak payahlah kita main game ni. Just give me your answer. Okay, look at the text from your textbook. Okay, you give me the answer. Okay, the first one. Okay, which paragraph? Which paragraph maksudnya A ke B ke C atau D? Paragraph ialah perenggan. Okay. Give reasons why people probably won't live on the moon. Okay, paragraph mana menunjukkan sebab? Give reason. People probably won't live. Won't maksudnya tidak akan tinggal on the moon. Okay, paragraph mana? Okay, tengok paragraph. Which paragraph? A, B, C, D. Which paragraph shows reason? Shows the reason people won't live on the moon.
C.
Okay. Berjawapan?
C.
C.
Okay, Ashwarya kata C. Lagi? Yang lain kata apa?
C. C.
Ha? Siapa cakap A tu?
C.
A?
C. C.
B?
C.
C. Apa ni? A, B, C, D. Satu lagi D. Yang lain?
C.
C. Okey. Faham kan? Soalan tanya which paragraph give reasons why people probably won't live in the moon, on the moon. Give reason, memberi sebab. Okay, the answer is C. Kenapa C? Because ada sebab. Why people don't want to live in the moon? Because, nampak ni? Dia ada sebab di sini. There isn't any air and water. And the temperature is too hot or too cold. But dia ada sebab. Okay, ada sebab. Okay. To show reason. Okay, next question. Next question dalam buku teks tu. Number 3. Which one give reasons why people might live on the moon? Kali ni. Which paragraph show reasons people want to live on the moon?
B.
Okay, B. Okay, let's look at B. Okay, the number of people is increasing, Earth is growing, and we are destroying our natural resources. If we aren't careful, one day we won't have any food or energy. If this happens, we will need to find a new place to live. Okay, here. Okay, if people want to live, this will be the cause. We are destroying our natural environment. Ada sebab dia. We won't have any food or energy. Okay. So these are the reasons. Okay, next question. Which paragraph give a personal opinion on the subject? Okay, paragraph mana? A, B, C, D. Give personal opinion. Perenggan mana?
D.
B.
Okay. Personal opinion. Pandangan sendiri.
A.
A. Lagi?
D.
Okay, when we talk about personal means I. Dia mesti ada I. So the answer is D. Okay, this is the key. Okay. This paragraph shows personal opinion. Alright. Okay. Last one. Number 4. Which paragraph asks question? Which paragraph asks question? Of course lah A. Kenapa A? Can you see the question here? Nampak? Ada question kat sini. Okay, faham? Right? So, in this opinion essay, okay, at least you have this. Okay, when you ask opinion, mesti you ask question. Alright? And then you give your reasons and suggestions. And then you yourself will give your personal opinion about the topic. Alright? Okay. Tengok ni ya. Alright? Because nanti you akan buat you punya essay. Okay, next. Okay, kita dah masuk sini. Okay, kita leave this one. Okay. Alright. So, this is your task. Okay, this is your task. Writing task. Write an essay with the title. Okay, I already changed the title. Okay, title ni saya tak guna. Okay, saya ambil tajuk lain. Nanti awak akan tengok tajuk dia. Okay, ni tak guna ya. So, you are not going to do this title. Okay, whatever it is, you have to follow the plan. Alright? Okay, first, decide what your opinion is. Apakah pandangan awak? This will be the main point of your conclusion. Then, plan your 2 middle paragraphs using your ideas from exercise 4. Okay, kita tak buat exercise 4 tadi. Okay? And then, write 4 paragraphs. Okay, 4 paragraphs. Your introduction with a question. Okay, can you see? Sebab itulah tadi dia tanya soalan. Okay. Your 2 middle paragraphs with a 2 possible opinions with reasons. And your conclusion with your personal opinion. Use the essay in exercise 1 to help you. Okay. Once you are done, you check whether you already have this. Okay, this. You have this. You have this in your essay. Alright? Okay. So, I already mentioned to you in your paper 2 of your writing, you ada 2 soalan. Satu maybe your email, short answer. Satu maybe this, opinion. Or write a story. Okay, so this one will be longer. Email, you only have to write for 80 words. For these questions, long answer, you have to write 120 words. Okay, alright. Let's look at it. Okay, meaning that, okay, for this one, you have to plan. Yeah, plan your 2 middle paragraphs, but in the question that I will give you, points are already given. Okay, what you have to do is you have to organize. Alright, let's look at the question. Alright, this is your question. Let's look at it. Okay, here, from here ya, atas. You are going to share your opinion about computers. In about 120 words, give your opinion about the effects, kesan of using the computer on teenagers, on you. What are the effects? You may use the notes below to help you. Okay, these are the notes. Okay, notes ni pun you have to find yourself, right? Okay, I'm giving you the layout. Okay, the writing focus. Okay, writing on opinion essay using on the one hand and on the other hand. to show contrasting opinions. Yang saya cakap tadi lah. On the one hand is the positive side, on the other hand maybe the negative side. Okay. Vocabulary related to computers. Okay, these are the words that you can use, the vocabulary. Ya, tata bahasa, leisure, educational purposes, notes, references, online exercises, games, entertainment purposes. If you don't understand, go and find the meaning in the Google. Alright? Okay, so this is the layouts of your essay. This is the soalan, the effects of computer use on teenagers. Alright, okay, you start with this. What do teenagers use for it? Okay, ini ialah guideline. You have to come up with their own question, macam dia cakap kat sini tadi kan. Okay, your introduction with a question. Okay, so this one is your introduction. Okay, so in your introduction mesti ada satu soalan. Okay, next paragraph, sorry. Okay, next dia nak apa? And then your two middle paragraph is two possible opinion. Okay, two middle paragraph. Okay, what is the advantage? Okay, this is on the other hand. Then you explain what's the advantage. Dia dah bagi apakah advantage dia, kelebihan dia. Okay, kelebihan dia you can use these words, maybe for leisure, maybe for education purposes or notes. Boleh guna this one atas ni to guide you to write. Okay, so how does it help? This is the elaboration. Okay, elaboration to the point yang awak tulis di sini. Okay, di sini awak tulis point. Okay, point awak ialah apa? What's the advantage of computer? Okay, computer can be used for educational purposes, contoh. Okay, then that is the first sentence. The second sentence, you elaborate. How does it help? Bagaimana you say educational purposes ini membantu? Okay, right. Next point, the green one. Use on the other hand. What is the disadvantage? Alright. Okay, apakah kelemahan dia? Keburukan dia. Keburukan komputer ni lah. Apakah keburukan komputer? Okay, maybe you can write teenagers will spend most of the time with on the computer. So, what are the effects for the point? Apakah kesan kepada point yang awak bagi itu? Right? Okay, so ini perenggan dia. Okay, so the last one. Okay, this one is where you give your opinion. So, pandangan awak macam mana? Okay, faham? Okay, saya tukar colour. Okay, ini point. Mana dia beri? Okay, ni. Okay, ini kita tukar colour bagi awak faham sikit. Okay, ini ialah point 1. Use on the hand, on the other hand. Okay, so ini okay, cerita tentang point 1. Right? Okay. So the red one will be the next main content. This one is the last conclusion. Okay. Alright. Now look at the layout. Saya dah siapkan layout di sini. Yellow, pink, green, purple. Okay. Yellow is the paragraph, introduction. Okay. Introduction nak tulis apa? Okay, this one. What do teenagers use computer for? Okay, tulis di bahagian introduction sini. Okay, saya pun dah letak dah kat sini. Okay. Ni. Okay. Content 1. What is the advantage? Okay, kat mana ni? Yang purple ni. Okay, yang purple ni tulis di sini. Start dengan on the other hand. Okay. Computers can be used for educational purposes. To stop. Contoh. And then kembangkan. Terangkan lagi. Macam mana terangkan? Gunakan ini. How does it help? Bagaimana yang awak kata for education purpose tu membantu? Okay, terangkan. Atau awak nak pilih you use computer to do for reference, for online purposes. Ataupun di sini awak boleh masukkan. How does it help? Okay, it helps for me for doing online exercises. Contoh. Right? Okay. So next paragraph, content 2 is what is the disadvantage. Disadvantage maksudnya kelemahan. Okay. So you start your paragraph dengan on the other hand. Okay, maksudnya ialah satu yang negatif punya lah. Okay. So you start guna ini. Okay, buat ayat. Berapa ayat satu perenggan? Minimum 3 cukup. Maksimum terpulang pada awak. Okay, maksud saya, okay, one sentence from on the other hand, sambung, habiskan satu ayat. And then you have another 2 sentences for the elaboration, penerangan. Okay, ada 3 ayat, cukup satu perenggan. And then for content tu pun sama. Ini habiskan satu ayat and then you elaborate, cari 2 ayat lagi. Okay, last, conclusion. Apa nak tulis conclusion? You start dengan in conclusion. Okay, alright, in conclusion, then apa? What is your opinion? Okay, now you have to give your own opinion. Okay, so you have to refer to the yang kita dah bincang tadi. Okay, kita dah, you boleh tengok balik ni. Okay, tengok balik from the exercise 1. Macam mana you give personal opinion. Alright, so you have to rujuk lah. Okay, alright. So that is your essay. Okay, faham di situ?
Faham, cikgu.
Okay, faham ya? Alright, so maksudnya this is how you write. Okay, here introduction. Introduction you buatlah berkaitan dengan komputer. Okay, right. And then next paragraph is content 1. Okay, content 1 is on the other hand. Okay, buat. Alright, okay, buat sini. Then next paragraph, content 2. Right? And then last paragraph is in conclusion. Alright, so habis satu essay. Okay, faham di situ? Okay?
Faham.
Okay. So saya bagi awak masa sampai Khamis depan untuk siapkan. Alright?
Okay.
Write this in your exercise book and also your pembetulan of your previous exercise. Okay, so I will give all this nanti dalam group. Alright? Okay, so I guess kita dah cukup masa di sini. Okay. Saya tutup. Tak tutup lah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Alright. Okay, dah pukul 9 lebih. Alright, so thank you very much.
Thank you,
Okay,
cikgu.
see you in the next. Okay, ini dah last lesson. Right, thank you for joining the class sepanjang PDPR ni. Alright, congratulations pada yang dah siap buat kerja. Alright, so see you the next PDPR maybe, or we'll see you in the class. Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Teacher.
I will give all the links in the group nanti ya. Okay, you can see later.
Okay,
right?
teacher.
Okay, thank
Thank you,
you.
teacher.
Thank you, teacher.